You don't want to just survive law school, you want to thrive. And LexisNexis is here to help. During your first year, solid class preparation skills teach you how to read, think, and analyze like a lawyer. Cut down your reading time and feel confident you haven't missed important points of law when preparing for class with the following 4 steps. 1. Review the law school case brief and summaries provided by Lexis. 2. Read the case in your casebook. 3. Use LexisNexis headnotes to create your own brief. 4. Use Lexis Plus AI to better understand legal terms and concepts. Step 1. Read LexisNexis summaries and case briefs. Before delving into your casebook, reading case summaries and case briefs on Lexis Plus will help you identify the essential legal points. This step is crucial for writing your own case briefs to prepare for class. Access case summaries on Lexis Plus by entering a citation or case name provided in your textbook. Let's use Paulsgraf v. Long Island Railroad with the citation 248 New York 339. Type the citation into the search box without adding periods or spaces and hit enter. Scroll down to find the case summary, which covers the procedural posture, overview, and outcome of the case to help you better understand what you're about to read. Next, look for the blue Law School Case Brief button next to the case name. The LexisNexis Case Brief will provide you with a better understanding of the case's parts, including the rule that comes out of the case, the key facts and issues of the case, and the conclusion of the court. Reviewing LexisNexis briefs will allow you to prepare for class more efficiently, understand the cases you're assigned for class, and have peace of mind knowing that Lexis has a team of authors creating case briefs for the sole purpose of helping you succeed in law school. Step 2. Read the assigned case in your textbook. Because you've already reviewed the Lexis case brief and summary, you now know what to look for when reading the case for the first time in your textbook. Reading legal opinions is a skill that can be developed, and the Lexis case briefs and summaries will give you an analytical advantage. Step 3. Review LexisNexis headnotes. LexisNexis headnotes contain the rules of law relied upon by courts in their decisions and are the quickest way to grasp the core principles of a case. Note that Lexis headnotes contain the exact language of the court, which ensure an accurate understanding of the legal rules. Step 4. Review Lexis Plus AI. Ask a legal question. Your Lexis Plus AI assistant is a valuable class preparation tool. The Ask a Legal Question feature allows you to engage in conversation like you would with a trusted professor or peer who intelligently and conversationally responds to your questions and refines answers for clarification. By using the Lexis Plus AI assistant to define legal concepts during class prep, you'll be able to fine-tune your understanding of legal issues and cases and be ready for getting cold called. Briefing your own cases using the 4 steps reviewed in this video will help you feel confident when preparing for class by grasping the points of law your professors expect you to know. Optimize your reading time and ensure a comprehensive understanding of essential legal concepts for class preparation following these 4 streamlined steps. 1. Before reading assigned cases in your textbook, read the Lexis Plus case summaries and case briefs, focusing on the rules, facts, issues, and conclusions. 2. After reviewing Lexis case briefs and summaries, read assigned cases in your textbook. 3. Next, review Lexis headnotes to understand the black letter law. 4. And finally, use Lexis Plus AI to engage in conversational explanations of legal terms and concepts to deepen your understanding of issues while preparing for class. Now that you know how to look up cases, case briefs, case summaries, headnotes, and interact with Lexis Plus AI Assistant, you have the knowledge necessary to make the most out of your reading assignments, as well as create your own case briefs and confidently walk into your classes ready for anything. If you want to learn more or need research assistance, reach out to your Lexis rep to schedule a training session, or contact customer support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at 1-800-45-LEXIS.